Thank you guys, and good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. Let's unbox again. My favorite part, of course, unboxing, and someone sent me this. Okay, let's start. What do you think inside this box, this package? Listen guys. I don't know na. Even me, I don't know. Okay, let's check what's inside. Ta-da! Okay. Let's check. Ooh, it's cell phone stand. No, I can't read. No, I can't read. But let's see what's inside the box. Oh, what's this? Okay, one. Okay, the feet, the stand, and there is a screw. Okay, let's screw. Oy, ulit. Repeat after me. Okay, there is a hole. Wait, let's screw. Okay. No. Okay, let's take another look for the other part. The other part is a cell phone holder. And this one is, I don't know. Okay, we put this one over here. Wait, okay. Wait again. Okay, let's loose this and put this inside. Okay, and ta-da! Let's tighten. Okay, and there is another lock over here. Oh, let's put out. Unscrew. Fit in. Wait. Okay, let's fit in. Okay, and put it back. Screw it. That's nice, no? And you can move it. Swing it. Sing it. Okay, and you can tilt it and put the mobile or cell phone. Let's check. Wait. Let's put the mobile. Okay. And ta-da! Very nice. Look at this, guys. Look. Oh, isn't it nice? And there's is a stand pa, no? May stand pa siya. Okay? If you want to try the stand, oh, you can use two mobile phones. Look. Nice. And thank you for the sponsor. Thank you so much guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Very nice.